On September 4th, 2025, a woman pointed a firearm at her son's girlfriend and pulled the trigger. The gun had no bullets. The charges that followed did not depend on that fact. 3 independent charges arise from this incident, each provable without the others.
Did you call?
Yes, I called.
What's going on?
She just tried to shoot me. And the only reason why I didn't get hit is because the gun didn't have no fucking bullets in it.
Who is this?
I'm pretty sure y'all have all been here before. Hold on. Hello? Shaw just walked in the house and had a gun in her hand. She tried to shoot me.
Yeah, can you tell us what's going on, please?
Yes, the police are here. I gotta talk to the cops. I'll call you back, Mom.
So what's the situation inside
Okay,
right
so she texted me earlier. They've lived here for a while. I date her son.
So, like, what's the situation? Just real quick, we can get into the nitty gritty. Does anybody have a gun
Yes.
that's like a threat right now in the house?
Her son probably grabbed it from her. It didn't have any bullets in it. He was standing in the middle of us trying to get it from her.
Okay.
And then she pointed it at me, pulled the trigger and said, "Oh, she don't got no bullets in it," and threw it down the steps. He ran down the steps and grabbed his gun. I came down the steps because I don't know what you're going to grab next.
What's your relationship with them?
I date her son. I've been dating her son for 3 years, which is the only reason why she lives with me.
You're her son's girl.
Yes.
Okay.
And he's at work.
Okay.
Which is what this started.
Her other son.
Yes.
Okay.
They
so
all
you don't
live here.
date the
No.
son in there. Okay.
Not the one that gave her the gun.
Okay. Can you hang out for a second?
Yeah, absolutely.
Just so we can get your info and whatnot.
Which apartment is it?
2, right here. This door right here, the white one.
What's her name?
Kimberly.
And then what's his name?
Dwayne.
Dwayne and Kimberly. Okay. What's she look like?
She's fat and got blonde hair.
Is she a white woman?
Yes.
Is there a way to get out the back?
No, yes. The door's locked off.
Hey, Kimberly?
No,
Is it a separate apartment?
no, she does this.
Okay.
But there is no gun.
Okay. So,
Here.
did it get thrown down?
What?
A gun.
You know, we just don't have it. We don't.
So then what's she talking about?
I don't.
Hey, are you Kimberly?
Yes, I know.
You don't have a gun, do you?
No, I don't have a gun no more.
Okay. What does that mean?
Because I did. Her sister called and threatened me and said she was gonna come over here and beat my ass or something. So when she pulled up, yeah, there wasn't even no bullets in the gun. So
So where is it now? Your gun.
it's not my gun.
Where's the gun that you?
It's in my son's room.
Dwayne.
Yeah,
Can we talk to Dwayne? Where's he at?
it's. He don't.
Hey, Dwayne.
He don't got nothing to do with this.
Is it your gun? Your mom have it.
She was in my room, and then me and her was arguing, and then
You and mom, or you and girl downstairs?
no, me and mom. So she was in my room, and I was standing outside my room, and she was asking me for her keys because she was trying to leave, and I'm not letting her leave because she's been drinking. So I'm not giving her keys. I don't care what she says or does. So
This is his girlfriend. So I asked her, I'm like, can you take him to work tonight? And she was like, oh, I can't because I work until close with my mom. Well, you know, I don't know, but she claims she works all these hours and stuff like that. So I'm like, I started getting an attitude because I do everything. I take my kids to work in the morning. Even when I have to work, I still have responsibilities. Not saying that he is her responsibility or anything, like, he's not even mine, he's grown. But I do want to make sure that he will succeed, you know? So I'm like, I started getting irritated because I'm like, you can't help with nothing. You have a whole vehicle and you don't help with nothing. She was like, I'll take the kids to school. I don't need you to take the kids to school because I literally get off of work at 4:30. So I'm good taking the kids to school. These are all my kids. So, and then she started talking stuff to me, and me and her was getting into it. And then her sister texted me, and she was like, oh, I'm about to be at the house at 10 o'clock. I'm about to drag your ass out. And I'm like, okay. Like, first of all, you're not even in this situation, so why are you even texting me? It's between me and Haley. Me and my son already got into it because he was like, you shouldn't have been talking to her like that, disrespecting her like that. And then he's like, oh, she does everything. She's been doing everything now because for the past 2 months.
So where is it at exactly?
it's right there.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby.
He's good boy.
It's okay, Bubba. I got the Roddy. I just don't even get. Come on, baby boy. You want to go in the? You want to go in the? I'm sorry. I must have scared him.
Yeah, it's right there under them shirts to the left side of the shelf on the top shelf.
Go in the bathroom, please. Yeah, he just must be.
Yeah, that's it.
He just must be scared. And you're legally allowed to have it, right?
Yeah, I'm legally allowed.
Okay.
The vending and everything's already been ran on and everything.
Okay. Yeah, no, I mean,
go ahead and run it again. No.
yeah, no, we just got to do. We just got to do
that's
our little
protocol,
one too.
understand.
That's all.
Yeah, I know.
Do you happen to have an ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it just in that wallet right there?
So how did a gun get involved at all?
Because her sister said she was gonna come over here.
Okay, so her sister said she was going to come over here. Where
And
was
then she pulled up, and I don't know, I didn't know if it was just her or then I saw other lights coming behind her, so yeah, I pulled the gun out.
Okay. Did you point it at her at any
No.
point? Okay.
I don't have nothing to lie about, but I'm not gonna get jumped because I know
Because
her
it's
and her
What's up?
sister.
I got a drink in the car.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here.
She
What's
tried
your
to
name?
shoot me.
Oh, you're the victim?
Yes. She tried to shoot me. The
Yeah.
only reason why I'm not right now is because there wasn't a bullet in the head.
What happened?
She's mad because I couldn't take... Her son is my boyfriend. And he just started work at Amazon a couple days ago. And she's upset because she didn't want to get off her f***ing ass and take him to work. I work 2 jobs. I've been at work since 11 to... What time is it? I just got home like 20 minutes ago. The camera will show you. I walk in the house and she's like, what's the problem? I said, the problem is you're mad at me because I couldn't do something one time. I've been paying the rent in this house for 3 months because she ain't had no f***ing job. I've been paying the Wi-Fi. I've been trying to catch her up on her f***ing car payment. I've been helping the bitch with everything. I can't do one thing and it's a problem. So I walk in the house, go up the steps, and she's right there greeting me. She's got something behind her back. And her son is standing in front of her trying to get whatever it is from behind her back. I already knew because I know he has the gun. So I go in my room and I'm just trying to get my dog out the house because I'm about to go. And Dwayne, or not Dwayne, but Cameron stops me from grabbing my dog out the room and he's like, I already took him out. So I just put him back in the room. I'm just going to leave without my dog. She points the gun at me and pulls the trigger and then looks at her son and goes, oh, I knew there wasn't no bullets in it, and then throws the gun down the steps. So you were going to kill me. That's what you were going to do. She's drunk as she shouldn't even
Do
be
you guys
having a
live
fucking
together?
gun. Yes, but
You
she has
all live
not
together?
paid rent in 3 days. I have an eviction notice. She has 3 days to get out.
But you live here
Yes,
with them?
my name is on the lease. Nobody else's name. I've been paying the rent. I have the text messages of me telling her that she's got 3 days left to get out. That's it.
Okay.
Is everybody over 18? Are all the kids adults?
No. The only adults in here is me, my mom, and the girl downstairs.
Okay. How old's the brother that she's dating?
He's 19.
Oh, so he's an adult. So
Yeah.
So is the girl on the couch? She's just the only juvenile then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and my little brother, he's probably in his back room, like it's like a little back room next to the.
Oh, okay. Is the 19-year-old brother not here?
No, he's at work.
Oh, okay.
All I want to do was make sure that my son made it to work.
Okay.
And I was trying to go out of town to visit my sister.
So,
Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.15 Weapons while intoxicated. Handling a firearm under the influence of alcohol is a completed offense before any weapon is pointed at anyone. Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.21 Aggravated Menacing. The statute requires only that the victim reasonably believed she would suffer serious physical harm. Loaded status is legally irrelevant. The victim could not know the chamber was empty. Pointing and pulling the trigger constitutes a completed act under established case law. Ohio Revised Code Section 2919.25. Domestic violence applies automatically because the parties shared a residence. The Menacing Act satisfies the physical harm element.
I just want to walk through the story. So you guys were having an argument over your son, basically.
Yeah.
She threatened to have her sister come over here.
No, she didn't threaten. Her sister ended up texting me, and I looked at my phone, and I'm like, oh my god, here's her sister, and there's like 10 messages. I can show you.
Okay. So her sister threatened to come over here then?
Yeah, her sister threatened me, period. So I'm like, I felt on defense mode.
Okay. So she got here. What happened?
Look, she sent me four new messages.
Where did she threaten you at?
And she said, I'm pulling up at 10. These are all the text messages she sent. Sorry.
How did this start?
Guys,
Why did her sister start messaging you?
I don't know why her sister started to message me.
Okay. Did she just know you had the gun and went and took it, or did?
Yeah, she knows. Yeah, it's my mom.
Well, I know, but like she just knew you had it, so she went into your room and grabbed it. Is that
Yeah.
how like she got a hold of it, or did you like have it set on a table or what?
Yeah, so like basically where that officer, I don't know if that was the guy that grabbed it, but the officer that grabbed it is where it normally sits.
In your bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Were you guys fighting all day?
I've been at work since 11 o'clock this morning. This didn't start till 3.
Okay.
So it's been in text messages. I have all the text messages. She texted me, she said, can you take Sean to work? I said, no, I told you last night that I work until 7:30. This is my second job. I work every single day. Then it's, oh, well, all you do is work. Well, none of y'all just pay rent, so what the you think I'm going to do? None of y'all pay rent. What am I going to do? And then I told her to get her disrespectful fat ass out of my phone. And she said, oh, I'm about to come up there and beat you and your mom up. And I said, okay, so come do it. I work at Eddie's downtown. The cops would have been there in 2 minutes. I'm not worried about you.
Right.
I'm not worried about you. I don't.
So those were the only threats you made over the phone?
Over the text. Then I walk in the house and I go up the steps and she's standing right there with something behind her back. Oh yeah, I do got because we got a camera right there. I got the video of her out here. She was talking to me in the camera because she knew I was watching it. And she's still more threats. So what?
So would your mom have known it wasn't loaded?
No, she's drunk.
Oh, okay, she's drunk.
Yeah.
She's been drinking today?
I did say I was gonna.
I used the big lighter in the house.
I did say I was gonna blow her sister's house up though. So, but I told her sister that
You would be arrested.
I don't give a. She shouldn't be threatening me. She's in a situation. She's
I mean, you guys
involving
are
herself.
clearly arguing between
She's
each other.
involving
so,
herself in a
yeah.
situation that don't even concern her. And
Yes.
I do feel some type of way because I'm talking about your mom. Your mom is living. My mom's not even here to stick up for herself. And he was like, on your mom. Talking about she was going to come over here. And she was like, on your mom. And I'm like, my
Can we
mom
go back
is
in
dead.
there? I feel a little cramped with 5 people
Sorry.
sitting in the kitchen.
Yeah, it is. It's little in here.
If you want to light your cigarette, you're good. And then you guys just been hanging out drinking today?
No, just me.
What? You've been drinking today?
This is my weekend. I work Thursday through Sunday.
Okay.
I just told her to get herself on her feet so she can get the out of my house. That has always been the agreement. Instead of getting a house, she goes and buys a car she can't afford. But I've been quiet. Like, literally, I'm the peacemaker in the house. They fight all the time. I stay in my room. I'm not even that kind of person. I work 2 jobs. I'm not even here enough. She just expects me to get off my ass and take her kids to school like I'm her baby dad or something. I am responsible for one person. I'm not even responsible for him. He's grown.
How many kids does she have?
4. Dwayne is 21. Sean is 19. 20, I'm sorry. Trinity's 13 and Cameron is 16.
Holy cow. Just based off of what you're telling me, it sounds like she's probably going to get charged with a slew of charges, and domestic violence being one of those things.
Okay.
Which there's a mandatory protection order that goes
That's
in place.
perfectly fine. I don't want her back here. She's getting evicted in 3 days anyway.
She won't be allowed to come back here, so I'm not sure about the kids.
I told them they're fine if they don't have anywhere to go. But when she gets out, she was already talking about she's going to go down to her sister's. Her sister lives in Kilbuck. It's like 2.5 hours from here. I really don't care where they go. I don't even care about my boyfriend. He can go too. I don't give a
Oh, no.
That's how tired I am of her.
I understand where you're coming from.
Like, I just want her to come home and shower. I probably smell like onions. I have been on a grill all day, so if I do, I'm sorry.
What was your name?
Kimberly.
Kimberly, I'm sorry.
Kim.
Kim. Okay. This is your ID, right? Okay. Kim, come on. Let's go downstairs. Alright. I don't want to do it in front of your daughter, okay? Can you please put your hands behind your back?
Non-verified 37 and
Put 'em like you're
District
praying,
5 at
okay?
539
Like you're
South
praying to be
Arlington Street, time now 2034.
Like this.
Yeah, what am I getting arrested for?
So you're getting arrested for having weapons while intoxicated?
Wow.
I'm sorry, guys. It seems like you guys all live together, so it seems like just family wasn't meshing today, and some things happened that led to some people getting arrested.
What's gonna go on, okay?
Gosh.
Have you been arrested before?
Yes.
Okay, when's the last time you were arrested?
In 2010,
For what?
a DUI.
Was it a misdemeanor DUI? Like your first DUI?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the only other time?
Yeah.
Okay, then that is a misdemeanor, okay?
Oh.
Okay. You say you have nothing in your pockets? Do you
No.
even have pockets?
No.
Okay. Here. Can you look at the cruiser for me? I'm just gonna pat down your waistband, okay?
I just can't.
element of
I literally. That's damn near my mother right there. I feel bad doing this. It's just the fact you tried to f***ing kill me and did not think twice about it.
Yep. That's.
That shit. Literally.
And isn't your other son a juvenile as well? That's in there? And he can stay with your 23-year-old son as well?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna
Her dad is in jail, and his dad is in South Carolina. Oh my gosh. I hope this don't go on my record.
Alright, go ahead and sit in there, please.
Warrantless entry was lawful under Brigham City versus Stuart, 2006. A reported shooting attempt meets the exigent circumstances threshold for imminent threat to life. Probable cause was established by the totality of circumstances under Illinois versus Gates, 1983. 2 corroborating witness accounts, the suspect's own admissions, and the recovered firearm. 1 procedural gap. Miranda warnings under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, were not clearly administered before the suspect made self-incriminating statements, creating a potential suppression issue.
Oh my god.
Officer, A-. Methodical threat assessment, witness separation, proportionate arrest. Deduction for the Miranda gap, Kimberly, D. 3 provable violations. Her stated fear of the victim's sister is not a legal defense. The sister was not present and posed no imminent threat. Haley, B+. Immediate 911 call, consistent statements, preserved text evidence. Deduction for remaining in a household where an unsecured firearm was accessible to an active adversary. Dwayne, C. As registered owner, secure storage was his legal and ethical responsibility. Unsecured access directly enabled the offense. Key takeaway: an unloaded firearm carries identical legal exposure to a loaded one when used to threaten. Intent to cause fear, not capacity to cause death, is the controlling standard for menacing. For firearm owners, unsecured storage in a shared household is not only a safety failure, it is potential criminal liability when that weapon is used by another to commit an offense. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.